Hi everyone, this is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to easily move around your Excel file. If you have an Excel file with a lot of tabs, sometimes it can get annoying, and time consuming if you're going like this, if you go like that. What I like to do is if there's a tab that I'm going to use a lot, I always like to make that one a certain color just to make it stand out when I'm scrolling. But what's easier is if you want to go clear to the end, you can click this button and control at the same time. It'll take you to the end of the spreadsheet. And this button, click the arrow, will take you to the beginning. Like I said, click control while you're clicking them, and it'll help you move around. The other thing you can do is you can click on either of these buttons, like you can see there, and right click on it. It'll take you right there. So that's nifty too. And then, if you're in an Excel sheet and you want to move back and forth, that can get, you can always click here, but if you're using your keyboard, you just click control page up. That's going to take you to your previous sheet. If you do control page down, that takes you to your next one. Again, that's control page up, previous, control page down, next. So hope that helps. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe.